how to view ride history on the Bolt app. Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can view ride history on Bolt. The first step is to ensure that you have the Bolt application installed on your device, and then the second thing is to open up the app. Alright, so after clicking on the app to launch the app, wait for it to load. Okay. So once that's loaded, the next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see three horizontal lines. When you see it, click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be brought to a page, or a page will be displayed where you would see your profile. You see options like payment, promotions, my rights, expense your rights, support about. Just go ahead and click on my rights, and then your ride history would be displayed just like that. So this is how you can view your ride history. All of the rides that you've carried out in the past will be displayed here. So this is how to go about it. Okay, ensure you check them out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and have a good day.